Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing another acrylic set with a little bit of drawing. Welcome once again guys. So I've already fixed and shaped my tips, and now I'm applying my nail primer. My client brought a nail design for me to replicate. I'll try my best to replicate the design. Even though I don't like drawing, I'll still try my best. So I'll put up the picture of what she brought to me here so you guys can see it. She's a first-time customer, so I like to do a good job for her so I can keep her. I'll be using this acrylic powder I mixed recently. It's a custom acrylic powder. She wanted something nude as a background color, and this is what I have that is close to what she showed me. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can also turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. You might have noticed my videos are brighter now. I got a 50 watts floodlight and I installed it close to my work table, so when I'm recording my YouTube videos it can be very bright. Usually when I'm doing a medium to long length nails, I use either a 2-bead or a 3-bead method, but when I'm doing a short set I use a 1-bead method. But all these doesn't matter. What matters is you just getting your application right, whether you use 5 beads or 4 beads or 6 beads. What matters is you getting your applications right. Always have at the back of your mind that the fingernail you're working on should be facing downward, so when you apply acrylic it should slip forward. Also, make sure you don't flood your cuticle area with acrylic. If you have the acrylic running to the cuticle area or your side walls, you can use the tip of the brush to remove the acrylic while it is still wet. Because this set involves a lot of drawing, I'll be filing off camera so that this video won't be unnecessarily long. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also share this video with anyone that might be interested in learning something new. You might be wondering why I keep tapping the brush on the sides of the nails. It's because I don't want the acrylic bead to change the shape of the nails.
Mysterious Empire.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I go tell them say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all of my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say it don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me come through, my sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, loma get sick on my love bed, ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ha, tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe rempe jo wo ma se mi le she, yeah.
Empire. Most Dickness Empire.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. To my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all of my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say it don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby. Anytime when you need me come through, my sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, loma get sick on my love bed, ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ha, tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe rempe jo wo ma se mi le she, yeah.
Dickness Empire.
If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below to join the family.
Most Dickness Empire.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm all alive. If them point gun to my head, say make I deny you, I go tell them say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all of my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through. My sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, loma get sick of my love, ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ha, tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe rempe jo wo ma se mi leche,
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Till next time, bye.
Most Empire.